Hello, I'm Luca Pisani. I'm presenting here social. It's just a playground to test little lens protocols. Let's share my screen. Okay. I'm gonna authenticate via MetaMask. Sign in. Okay, let's change my profile to this. Here I can change the profiles. Okay, let's do a post. This is the post content. Let's post. Okay, sign this. Let's confirm. I'm on Polygon, of course. Mumbai, testnet. Okay. While this new post is indexed, I can try test delete, encrypt, and decrypt. I just didn't have time to put to encrypt a post, but doing like this, I encrypt just a phrase. Okay, and I decrypt my secret content. I didn't have time to put this info in the post. There is a condition if you have to have an ETH balance at least of 1 ETH to decrypt the content. Let's change this to 100 ETH. Let's save this. Refresh. Okay. Sign. Okay. Now we can see. Now that the post is arrived. Test post. This is the post content, and let's try to encrypt and decrypt. It says you are not authorized to access this content, and this is because now I need 100 ETH that I don't have, even if it's on mobile. Okay, that's it. Thank you.